How to create an event on Eventbrite. In this video, we're going to be talking about Eventbrite and how you can create an event in the easiest and most simplest way on this platform. Now, to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to come over to eventbrite.com and make sure you're fully signed in to their platform. Now, once you are over here to create an event, you have two ways to do so. You can either start from scratch or create it with AI. Okay. Now, you can either create it from here or you can even create it from this section. Now, obviously, we want an event. So I'm going to go over to event right here. It says start from scratch or create with AI. Let's go with AI first. So let me give you an idea on how it is created using AI. And it's really easy. Okay. So first of all, you're going to add in the name of the event. So I'm simply going to add some name like retro. So when does your event start and end? So let's say I'm going to add this date. Okay. And once we've done that, we're going to select the dates. Now the time is set. And once the time is set, you're going to choose the venue. It could be an online event or it could be any venue over here. So let's say I'm just going to add this. Okay. And once you have added all of those details, what you're going to do from there is you're going to add in the pricing. So I'm going to keep it on $9. The total capacity, let's keep it 700. And let's go ahead and click on create event. So once you click on create event from there, it is going to create the event in the easiest and most simplest way. Okay. And here you can see the event is now created and we are good to go from here. Okay. We can simply start, hosting our events as we go on. So basically this is going to look like this. So check out for 1144, etc. This is how it's going to look. And if you think it's good enough to go, simply verify your phone number and publish it. You can also edit the actual page of the event, okay? And you can edit it in different ways, okay? So this opens the editor where it adds the tickets, it builds the event page as you need it, and you can add all of your event details and let your attendees know what to expect in this one place, okay? So pretty simple and pretty great stuff to get your head an idea around. It gives you this custom overview as well, which is pretty cool. Gives you these highlights and a whole lot more. So this is how you can create an event on Eventbrite through AI. But let's go ahead and create an event through our own Scratch building. All right. So to create it through your own Scratch building, let's go back into the main Eventbrite dashboard. And once we're in the dashboard over here, what you're going to want to do is again go back over to events. And once we've come back over to events, simply click on create event again. And now we're going to click on start from scratch. All right. So once you click on start from scratch, once again, it's going to open things up like this. You're going to give it an event title. Again, I'm going to give it something random. So let's go with retro again. You can go ahead and add a summary by yourself, or you can ask the AI to suggest it to you. So once you've done this, you're going to come down, you're going to choose the location. Okay. And once we've added our location, you can create reserved seatings for the users as well if you want to. But well, yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now, once you've done this, simply click on save and continue. And once you click on save and continue, you should give it a few seconds to load you in. And once it loads you in, it's going to create the event right there and then. And that is how easy and spectacular it is to use Eventbrite to create events for yourself. Okay. That is how easy and simple it is. Now, if you want to know a little more about Eventbrite and what it actually represents and how it actually organizes, mainly Eventbrite is good for event ticketing where you can sell more tickets with customizable event pages and a seamless checkout experience for attendees on a trust platform. Then you also move over to reporting and analytics where you can learn more about your buyers and discover where your sales are coming from. And you can find that over here in reporting. Okay. So just go ahead and check over here. Now, if you're selling tickets, those reportings will appear over here. You can also use their organizer app as well. Now, you can also go ahead and create Eventbrite ads where you can promote events using these ads for yourself. Okay, you can also use different marketing tools, and you have different types of attendee discoveries in this solution as well. So, relatively, it's a very incredible platform and it's a very useful platform at the best. Okay. So, definitely go ahead and check it out and create events for yourself in any way that you find easier and possible. So, yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.